Good day, my dear students. Today, with the help of this video, we are going to learn a theorem which is called as area of the similar triangles. What is the theorem? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Repeat. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. That is, suppose you take triangle ABC and XYZ. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to AB square upon XY square equals BC square plus YZ square is equal to AC square upon XZ square. If we write it, we can see actually given is what? Given is triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ and AD is perpendicular to BC and XW is perpendicular to YZ. In triangle ABC and XYZ, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ and AD is perpendicular to BC and XW is perpendicular to YZ. This is the thing. What you have to prove? To prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to AB square upon XY square is equal to BC square upon YZ square is equal to AC square upon XZ square. Proof. First we'll understand what is proof of this theorem and then we will write it down. Triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are similar to each other. That's given. That means AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ is equal to AC upon XZ. That will be equation number 1. Then we will prove triangle ADB is similar to triangle XWY in order to prove perpendicular line AD and XW, they are proportional. So in triangle ADB and triangle XWY, angle ABD is common to XYW, that is given are corresponding angles of the similar triangles. And angle ADB is counter angle XWY, each 90 degree. As AD is perpendicular, so ADB is 90 degree. XW is perpendicular, so XWY is 90 degree. Then you can get it AB upon XY is equal to AD upon XW, that is corresponding sides of the similar triangles. And just equate the three equations what we discussed right now. Just let us write it down. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC into AD upon YZ into XW. That is the ratio of areas of two triangles. As we know, the property of the areas of the two triangles. So you will get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC into AD upon YZ into XW. It's XW. Then just write down, this is equation number 1. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, it's given. That means their sides will be proportional. So AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ. Corresponding sides are similar triangles. Now we will go to prove this triangle, that is ADB, as similar to XWY. In triangle ADB and triangle XWY, angle ABD is common to angle XYW is given, or you can say congruent angles of the similar triangles. And two right angles ADB is congruent to XWY. Angle ADB is congruent to angle XWY, each 90 degree. Thus, as if these two triangles angles are congruent, that means these two triangles will be similar now by AA test. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle XWY by AA test. If these two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. That means AB upon XY is equal to AD upon XW. corresponding sides of similar triangles.
Now, if you equate
Equation number 1, equation number 3, and equation number 7. By equating that, therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC upon AD into BC. This AD you can substitute by BC upon your BC and AB. Here YZ and XY. So you have to prove that AB squared upon XY squared and BC squared upon here. So here you got BC upon YZ into again BC upon YZ. Reason is what? From 1, 3 and 7. Which property? Transitive property. By transitive property, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC square upon YZ square. Similarly, we can prove other two parts also. AB square upon XY square is equal to AC square upon XZ square. Hence, proved. We can just recap when the two triangles are similar. Their corresponding sides ratio will be equal to the squares of the AB square upon XY square is equal to BC square upon YZ square is equal to AC square upon XZ square is equal to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ. It's a very important theorem which can even appear in your examination, or on this there are the sums. So it's very useful. Hope that you are clear. Thank you.